Big L today, big L.
I can tell you got beat energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might.
Welcome back to another YouTube video of mine. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on my video. But today we're gonna spray paint my side panels so it could all blend and all look black and look beautiful. Also, not just the side panels, we're also doing the roof. Yeah, that's a no-no. We're also gonna paint that as well, make it all beautiful and black, and it's gonna look so much better. I was going to put like the same material on the side panel, the trims, and the window on the roof, but to save some time and to make things easier, I'm going to go to Lowe's and get just a spray pan. Spray pan. Just gonna go and spray paint it instead, and we're gonna just pick a black one. We're gonna try to find one that's good for fabric, because you know this is fabric. I mean, this right here is plastic, but the front is fabric. We're gonna try it with the spray can first, and then if it doesn't work out, if it comes out terrible looking, shiny, whatever, gonna have to get the fabric, the same fabric that I have on my headliner, and just place it over, and that's a quick fix. So let's go do that right now. I'm about to go drive to Lowe's so you guys can see me driving, and talk to you guys when I get the materials. See you guys later. Neutral.
Una noche linda, algo especial, pero algo está...
Oh my gosh. Guys, it's a brand new day. Yesterday, I was driving on a low tire and I DB'd, so that's a big L for me. I'll show you some pictures of how the tire looks. So let this be a reminder to put air on your tire. Even if you think it looks good, just plug it up and fill it up with air, because you'll end up on the side of the road, changing the tire, putting a stock on, and riding home with a stock. So don't do that to yourself. Go put air on your tire right now, actually. Today's a whole new day, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I did not find any newspapers at Lowe's. I only found the spray paint and also the masking tape. So I just have some bags with me and whatever this is called. I didn't buy that. That was just in like a box from Amazon. These plastic bags to cover the car. It's gonna be terrible. This is gonna be so bad. Open the window actually, because I'm gonna die. I'm gonna suffocate. Also, if you're dealing with paint, make sure you wear a mask. I might wear a mask, I might not. If you guys were wondering how much I spent on the spray paint and the masking tape, total was $14.46, but with tax, you know, tax, beautiful tax, lovely tax, $15.54. I mean, not that much, but you know, we love tax because we get tax on everything, so thank you. Like, this is the tape I got, Scotch tape, and then this is the paint I got. It says gloss black, so I hope it's not too shiny. If it comes out bad and shiny and not good looking, I might just have to wrap it with some fabric, like how I did with the headline. This is the spray paint I got. 5 times stronger adhesion. Ew. Adhesion. No peel guarantee. So better not peel. I better not see nothing peeling. Fast drying any surface. So, you know, fabric. Hopefully that goes under the category of any surface. Windows down. Do I look like a truck driver?
Let's go.
It came out pretty good. I'm in love with it. What I can't get is that little corner over there, because like the spray can is too big and I can't really angle it in. So I'm gonna just get like a painting brush or something and soak it up with this paint and just dip it on the corners. This is how it's looking. As you guys can see, it's like really good. It's not, you don't really see patches, but I think it's because it's like fabric material, so everything blends well. I'm just going to do one more layer and then I'll move on to the other side. Both the front panels are spray painted black. Now we're just gonna move forward with the roof. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. The roof, the side panels right there, and also the rear. All that's gonna be black. Yep. I wonder if that's gonna be too much black. I should have probably done it pink or something. We need some kind of color, so this is some leftover from when I did my brake calipers, so I'm gonna use that for the seatbelt cover.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, niggas be here when they say they doing all this and all that. Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even.
This side is all done. All black. And the sunroof is black as well. Everything's matching. The front panels, as you can see that little corner right there, I'm gonna have to go over it with a little brush.
Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not feel that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me taste the death. Pointing at nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Breathe straight to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the risk and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eating.
Okay guys, so that pretty much concludes my YouTube video for today. Thank you guys for watching all the way till the end. This project was really simple and easy to do. Hope you guys give it a try. It literally only took me like 30 minutes to complete and it came out perfect. It came out really good. The only thing was the corners, and the corners, like I said, you'd have to do it with a brush or something because those corners are really hard to get. But other than that, everything was easy, simple, and now everything looks good. Nothing looks out of place. The only thing that I have to do now is these covers, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing this black, so I have to pick out a color for that still. And I also want to change the color of these covers because they're too bright, they're too like loud, so I want like a baby pink color. But I'm going to be doing that color on my brake calipers, so I won't be doing those until I do my brake calipers. Other than that, like I said, everything came out perfect. The roof came out perfect. It all blends now with my headliner, with my beautiful star headliner. If you guys didn't watch that video, please go watch it. Go click it right here so that you guys can see how easy that was too, and so that you guys can give it a try as well, because that is what we do in this channel. We motivate others to do it themselves as well. So I hope you guys give it a try. And I have so much more videos planned. Let me know what you guys want to see. Put your post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on them. Give it a try. Let me know if you guys gave it a try. And that concludes the video. So see you guys next time. Peace.